Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to transfer money from your BankMobile Vibe account to Cash App? Here's a quick and easy guide. First of all, open Cash App. Tap the profile icon and select Linked Bank. Choose Link Debit Card, then tap No Card section and hit Continue. Search for BankMobile Vibe, press Continue and log in using your BankMobile credentials. Boom. Your account is now linked. Now tap the bank icon, select Add Cash, and enter the amount you want to transfer. Hit Add, then confirm with your Cash App PIN or Touch ID. Ensure everything went smoothly. Go to the Activity section on Cash App and review your recent transactions. If it says completed, your money is ready to use. That's it. Fast, secure, and hassle-free. If this was helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe for more quick guides. Thanks for watching.